reviewing batch cost and yield in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how each completed batch performed against plan, how variance is called out, and how to confirm your actual cost per unit before pricing decisions. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Batch Cost Yield from your dashboard. This shows you how each completed batch actually performed against what the recipe planned in both volume and cost. Each row shows the batch, its planned yield and cost per unit, and what actually happened, actual volume produced and actual cost. I call out variance directly, so a batch that came in short on volume or over on cost stands out instead of getting buried in a spreadsheet. Click a batch and I'll show you the breakdown, which ingredient costs drove the total and where volume was lost or gained. Use the date range and recipe filters to spot patterns. If one recipe consistently yields under target, that's worth revisiting the process or the recipe's assumptions, rather than treating every shortfall as a one-off. This is also where you confirm your actual cost per unit before pricing decisions. Instead of relying on the recipe's original estimate, you end with actual cost per unit confirmed and any recipe with a recurring gap flagged for a closer look.